You probably own a fringe skirt in your closet already. Well, welcome back, ladies. Today I'm going to be showing you 8 ways that you can style your fringe skirts. Without further ado, ladies, let's jump right into today's video. The first way that I'm going to be styling this skirt, it's going to be with a pink glossy kind of look. It's not a satin, but it just has this glossy effect going on with off shoulder on the side of the side of the top. The main purpose of this top on this skirt is to give you that effect of look at my shoulder kind of a thing going on, and also to give it more silhouettes because of the fringe style of the skirt, and the combination of the two colors is just amazingly beautiful. For the second look, I'm going to be pairing this skirt with a button-down shirt in a silk material. This button-down shirt has a little bit of navy blue in it, but it might seem to you like black. But here I'm combining another shade of red with a shade of red of the skirt, also with a pattern button-down shirt. Next styling, I'm going to be pairing this fringe skirt with a denim jacket. Yes, this is when you want to go like absolutely like very casual. You just want to walk around the city. We just, even with this skirt, because this skirt can be elevated and you can dress it up or dress it down. So with the next styling, I'm just going to pair it with a denim shirt, button up, tucked in, with a sneakers, and you're all good to go with a crossbody on you. Also, this look, you can elevate it by changing your footwear to high heels, depending on how comfortable you'll be with the high heels and depending on the occasion or where you're going to. So with this denim top on it, it's either you dress it down or you dress it up. It's completely up to you. Also, for the next one, I'm going to be pairing this skirt with a bodysuit that is denim like bodysuit. So with this, I have the bodysuit underneath, and I'm going to put the denim top on top of it just to fly it out. You can dress it up or dress it down in this. The only thing you will need to change is going to be your footwear, depending on the occasion and depending on where you're going. Just the bottom line, either you want to go elevated or you just want to go very simple. Your footwear or your accessories will determine the way the outfit is going to be upgraded or uplifted. So for my next styling, I'm going to be styling it with a red crop top that I own in my closet. It's a different shade of red. It does not go with this red, but it's a different shade. So I'm going to style it with this, put that in as my inner wear, and I'm going to go with another color entirely, which is navy blue. Navy blue is powerful, it's royal. It's just elevate the look no matter what. So I'm going to go ahead and pair it with it. I'll fly it out without the belt, and next I'll put the belt around it to tie it around it. Also, the way I'm going to style this without the red underneath, just the navy blue, I'm going to lap it against each other and use my brush just to elevate this look. Then my accessories will be doing the rest of the talking, the shoes and the purse that I'm carrying. This look will be elevated. You can style it to wherever you think it will fit into, because I can tell you where to wear your outfit to, where not to wear your outfit to. I just believe in dressing according to the occasion. Ladies, please let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Which one of this is your favorite so far? And please do not forget to like this video as well. For my next look, I'm going to be styling this skirt with a white button-down shirt that we all already own in our closet, but I'm going to elevate it by putting this little tie on top of it, tucked in. And the next thing I'm going to do, my footwear is going to be knee-high boots that is appropriate for summer. During winter, of course, I'm going to wear the kind of knee-high boots that will cover all through, but we're in summer right now, so I'm going to be showing the summer look of where I'm going to style this. But during winter, I could put coat on top and just to elevate the look, and I'll wear pantyhose just to keep my feet warm. But because we're in a warmer weather, I'm just going to go ahead and just style it this way. I absolutely love the way this one turned out, with a beret on the head, with my purse, with my knee-high boots, especially with the tie. I feel like it just elevated the look. What do you all think? Ladies, please do not forget to subscribe. On this channel, we are all about looking good is not equal to breaking the bank. That repeats our outfits, so we style them in multiple ways so that we can get the value for our money spent. And for the next styling, I'm going to be pairing this skirt with a camisole, a white camisole, I'll wear it like this just to look, you know, very summery kind of a look going on right now. And if I get to the part that I started feeling a little bit cold, I'm going to put on a white coat, so a white suit on it, and just go like that with the shoes and everything just look all put together. I kind of love this skirt, how versatile this skirt. The devil wears Prada. And guess what, I purchased this skirt at Walmart, and I purchased it on the clearance sales, actually on sales now. So if you have it in your neighborhood Walmart, you better grab it, because you can style this skirt down, up and down. And I know maybe it's trending, I don't know, but I don't do trend. But every now and then I see trendy stuff that I've owned for years that is just evolving all around. They come back to us. That is why I don't purchase or put too much emphasis on trend. I love the skirt and I love how it fits on my body. Ladies, which of these outfit I put together is your favorite? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you all so much for watching, and until next time, I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed.